Hello friends, welcome to Garden Edited. Today I am going to unbox these summer flower seeds that I have brought online from this seller. His name is Avin Kumar, Indrapuri, Loni, Ghaziabad, and this is his mobile number. I will put this number in the description so that if you want to buy you can contact this seller. Now let's unbox it. These are the seeds. There are total 9 variety of seeds. There are many variety of seeds in the list of the seller. I have chosen only 9 varieties. You can also choose different varieties as per your choice. Now this is Kosia. These are the tiny seeds you can see. Next flower variety is Tithonia red color. This is Zinnia pink. This is Zinnia purple. Zinnia white. Summer marigold. Kalanchoe mix color. Zinnia red and Cosmos orange. Quantity of the seeds are as per expectation, and the seed variety are hybrid seeds. If you want to buy these seeds from the seller, then you have to just send a message in the WhatsApp number typing hi or hello. Then the seller will provide the link having the list of variety of seeds. Then you have to select the variety of seeds you wanted and the transportation method, and the seller will send the total price with transportation. Hope this video will help you. For more videos related to gardening, please subscribe my channel. Happy gardening. Thank you.